Hello everyone and welcome to the Tathastu ICS. My name is Trija Garg and I am your economy faculty. Today we will understand the basically provisions that will be, they are allocated and they are worked towards tourism sector, which is part of our infrastructure. Okay, so there are certain things in which we will try and enhance the tourism sector, which will in return help our economy as well, and that is what we will understand in today's class. Development of Vishnupad Temple Corridor and Mahabodhi Temple Corridor modeled on Kashi Vishwanath Temple Corridor, that is number 1. Comprehensive development initiative for Rajgir will be undertaken, which holds significance, religious significance for Hindus, Buddhists and Jains. The development of Nalanda as a tourist center besides reviving Nalanda University to its glorious stature. Assistance to development of Odisha's scenic beauty, temples, monuments, wildlife sanctuaries, craftsmanship, natural landscape and pristine beaches, making it an ultimate tourism destination. So let us talk about tourism. Okay, potential for job creation. Okay, we know that whenever there is tourism, it creates more job creation. How is that? We will learn today. Okay, investment stimulation and unlock economic opportunities for that particular area. If I as a government start investing in a particular region, in a particular area, what will happen is more tourism will get attracted because of that, because we are enhancing the, you can say beauty or the significance of it. For example, let's take Ayodhya temple. Okay, let's just talk about the economic part of it. When Ayodhya temple it was built, so what happened was, people there, they got more economic opportunities because now more tourism is coming, so we need hotels, we need restaurants, we need basic shops, so more employment is also being created there. Because of that, more tourism will be attracted, more investment will be attracted from private sector, be it domestic or from the foreign sector as well. So this is how, when we create and we invest in the tourism, or when we invest in the tourism sector or in a region, the development of a region or a particular place, okay, so what happens is more economy enhances, more economic activities actually start to happen. Always remember that the tourism day is actually, India's tourism day is on 25th January every year. There's a certain report on World Economic Forum's Travel and Tourism Development Index. India rank has risen to 39th position, and tourism contributes around 7% to our GDP, and by 2029 we are expecting that tourism will create 53 million jobs in India by 2029. So it is a very, very important sector for us. So this provision talks about development of Vishnupad and basically Mahabodhi temples, both are in Gaya, Bihar. Okay, when we talk about Vishnupad, it is dedicated to Lord Vishnu and attract numerous devotees annually. Enhancing the temple corridor will improve the overall visitor experience and infrastructure, right? If we talk about Mahabodhi temple, it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and the temple marks the place where Buddha attained enlightenment. So it is very, very important, very, very significant. Okay, upgrading the corridor will boost its attraction to international and domestic tourists both, because Buddhism is anyway, it is it is a faith where all over the world actually it is followed. Okay, then let us talk about Rajgir. It holds a religious significance for Hindus, Buddhists and Jains. Development will enhance its accessibility, more people will be able to go there, amenities and conservation of the heritage sites. The Saptarishi hot springs and the ancient Jain temples are key attractions of Rajgir, which will benefit from improved infrastructure and facilities. So we are working on our cultural heritage as well as the infrastructure as well as the development also. Nalanda as a tourist center, it is an ancient center of learning, we already know that, and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Reviving the Nalanda University and enhancing the tourism infrastructure will attract more scholars, okay, as well as tourists globally. So preservation and promotion of Nalanda's heritage will increase its cultural and educational tourism appeal. Now, if we talk about Odisha's rich cultural heritage, including its temples, including its monuments, beauty, natural beauty, it offers potential for tourism development in the region. Government's focus is more on improving the infrastructure, promoting cultural heritage of Odisha and enhancing the tourist facilities. Now, What will be the benefits for the economy? Number one would be job creation. More and more jobs will be created. For example, you know that direct employment opportunities will be there if we are trying to enhance the tourism sector of the country, as well as in construction of hospitality, that is the hotels, and transportation. Okay, in those sectors, especially in the services sector and the hospitality sector, what will happen is, be it restaurants, be it hotels, basically more and more direct jobs will be created. Okay, indirect employment will also rise as food and beverage more will be required, more handicrafts will be required, and local services. So basically local traditional employment will also be generated more and more. Then investment stimulation, if we talk about the public sector and the private sector, public being the government and private sector, the investment in tourism projects will lead to improved infrastructure, because obviously there's always a scarce resource, that is the money with the government. So now the private sector coming in will pool more resources to actually enhance our tourism sector. Okay, then enhanced tourism sector will also attract FDI, that is foreign direct investment by the government of other countries or institutions, right, in hotels, resorts, other tourism related activities. Local economy of that particular area or the region will also get boosted, because demand for local products and services will increase and more tourism come and more tourists come. Small and medium enterprises, which is our third theme of the budget, in the regions will benefit from increased tourist spending, okay, and accommodation, for example food, souvenirs, and guided tours. All of this is creating more and more of jobs in the economy and that particular region. So what does this lead to? This lead to more of regional development in the country, where all the regions in which we can use them to enhance the economic activities, generate more employment. Again, our theme number one, okay, that is employment. Local economies, if they are getting boosted, it means the skills will also get boosted. Again, number two, so what is happening here? Basically we are developing regionally also, there will be an equal balance of the regions. Besides that, there will be more and more of economic activities in the country. Okay, then preservation of cultural heritage, be it temples, be it oceanic beauties, be it beauties, natural beauties, be it about Nalanda University. What we are doing is, we are conserving and promoting the cultural and historical sites, enhancing their sustainability also. Increased awareness and tourism revenue, okay, will fund the maintenance and preservation of these sites. Then infrastructure improvement, upgrading transportation, sanitation, because more tourists will be coming, and the public amenities will actually improve the overall quality of life of the residents. They will have more opportunities to actually earn money and make their quality of life better. Benefit other sectors also, just trade and commerce, by improving the connectivity and accessibility. Promotion of India as a global tourist destination will also be achieved by this, by developing world-class tourist destinations and elevating India's status on the global tourism map. Okay, increased international tourist arrivals will also contribute to our foreign exchange earnings, because as more and more people spend money here, they are basically getting their dollars or their any other currency converted. So if they get converted into rupees, more of forex will be added to our reserves, more of earnings there, okay, and cultural exchange will also happen. So spending money on tourism is a good thing for us, because it creates it has a very big contribution to our GDP, around 7%, and it will also create employment opportunities in our country. Besides that, give a boost to the local economies and MSMEs as well. Okay, so this is in line with the theme and the focus areas of our budget 2024 to 2025. Okay everyone, thank you so much and have a nice day.